Alright, so here's the introduction to my first Honda Civic. I know what y'all are thinking, probably first question you want to ask is this the original paint? No, it's custom. It's like, I think I found these in the garage, just random paints, but I got inspired to paint it this color scheme. It's gone to like maybe 5 paint jobs, if you want to call them that. And over here, this drippage is because I broke the nozzle off of a pink spray can, so I just like held the can like this and just sprayed it like that every single time to make these little lines. Fancy. Can't get that at any professional paint job place. So there's a little bit of rust right here. Hold on, let me help you guys out a little bit. Just gonna, oh fuck, the mirror fell off. Okay, well, we're gonna get ourselves our fork, which is also our key. All right, we're gonna inspect this. It's not that bad. I mean, probably past safety in Ontario. But yeah, so things that are new on the car: the resonator and that little muffly boy up there. I mean, she's in pretty good shape rust wise, I would say, for a Canadian car. Oh shit, a little bit bright over here. But yeah, like a little bit of rust, stuff like that. This is actually only because I sort of hit it into several trees. Yeah, I don't think it'll pass safety at the moment. And at some point we're gonna try to start it, but not in this video because I left the key somewhere else. But she's stick and she's sick. So let's go ahead and get inside. So you wanna just throw the fork in there, step over here, you just like stand on the door. That's good. Probably won't break. Hope not. Jeez, look at that. Paying off already. Okay. So the clutch is actually working now. It was like seized before, but now we're good. There's some good stuff in here. Ooh, I like that. This is the bobblehead Jesus. He kept me safe while I was ripping through the trees. Let's see what's in here. Yeah, and this is you get some road rage. Okay, I removed the airbag. I remember that a while back, just because weight reduction and safety is for losers. Let's work our way up to the back seat of this car. Oh, it's a little bit of a climb up here. Oh, the interior is up here too. That's good. Alright. Oh, she's a leaky boy, so I'm gonna go ahead and close that up. Sweet. Alright, so my favorite thing to do with this car is just open the doors. And you just gotta like kick them open. It's very good. The seat belts are locked in place so you can use them to pull yourself back up. Alright. And I just like sit on the edge of this and admire the car. Oh, there's a little bit of rust right there. It's all right. The wheels are a little bit seized. That's because I ripped the e-brake just so it wouldn't move anywhere. Yeah, this was the main reason the car was so cheap back when I bought it, is because this whole part is a little bit missing, a little bit rusty. But yeah, she's quality. Let's talk about this spoiler. You're not gonna buy this spoiler anywhere better than Mugen parts, I'll tell you that much. See, this wood weighs less than carbon fiber. But yeah, a little bit of broken lats over here. Now this welding is like professional and a half. I don't know if you've ever seen a professional welder, but they don't know how to make those balls. Those balls are really hard to make. Alright, zip ties for safety. Let's make our way back inside the car. Oh, it's a little, fuck, try not to fall. Alright, so we're just gonna, oh, come on. There we go, she's closed. And if you're wondering how this car's staying up like this, is there's a small hole about half a foot deep that the nose is in, and there's a piece of wood in the back prying it up. So you can tell it's very safe to be sitting in right now. Oh, let's not step on the mirror, that's gonna break. I won't do it anyway. But lats don't work. I wonder why. This is some quality leather roof. Oh, cardboard. I like cardboard. Alright, let's make our way to the engine compartment. If we can squeeze out of this slut. Oh shit. Alright, let's close this up. Make sure nobody steals her. Maybe I'll lock her. Yeah, so I went ahead and drained all the oil out of this. Just keep it nice and fresh. And yeah, pretty good shape. I'm just gonna put this mirror back on so we can pass safety a little bit. There we go. That's good. All right. And yeah, so that's what the Civic looks like right now. I think I've got like $200 into it. No, that's a lie. That's a straight up lie. I got like 400. Since this perspective on how awesome this car looks. Look at that. That's pretty. That is a nice looking car. It looks better the farther you go away from it. Ain't nothing. Oh shit, there is a tractor right here. Nobody saw us, that's okay. Just gonna keep going back. Who put that there?